took it in high school, but it's been many years since I actually took it. So I decided to just start off by Googling what is calculus, and I don't know. I mean, there's definitely a lot of resources. The definition that Google provides is pretty. I'm sure it's pretty accurate, but I don't really know how to make. I can kind of make heads or tails of it, but I don't really know what it means. Just going through some of these pages. This page from MIT tries to use simple language, but it's pretty dense, and I just don't have a basic understanding of what's going on here. So it's pretty hard to sort of figure out what's. I can kind of understand it, but I don't really understand what's going on. There's some good graphics here. This one's showing as you zoom in on a curve, the curve starts to look straighter and straighter. It looks more like a line, and I think that's basically what it's saying. Is like if you take a measurement that's small enough, then it'll essentially be a line versus a curve, and a line you can calculate the slope of. But I'm not really sure why we're calculating the slopes, or why that matters, or what's going on here, or kind of what the bigger picture is. That's the same thing we're showing here. Is like they're basically saying at this point the slope is 4. I found this one interesting, like showing the area underneath the curve, and I think that's part of what calculus is doing. So trying to figure out how much area there is. I think I can kind of imagine some more practical applications of that, although I can't really think of any specific ones off the top of my head. It just seems like it might be a slightly more practical thing. I don't know. This video gives some details.
Calculus deals with slopes of complex curves. Algebra deals with constant speeds in motion. Calculus deals with varying speeds in motion. Algebra deals with areas of rectangles and triangles. Calculus deals with areas of weird-looking objects more apt to actually exist.
So, I guess that's, part of the equation right there is just, it's basically dealing with curves and trying to figure out areas underneath curve or analyzing them. I don't know. So I get that part of it, but, I'm still not kind of getting the holistic picture of what's going on here and, why we're doing it and why it's so important and, what the practical applications are. So, still a lot more room to try to figure out what's going on.